Hello again, viewer. Well, you saw me take down the side of the the lean-to on the colombage barn. Well, here we are with what we've been calling the vestibule. It's an area outside the back door, which then leads into what will be the bathroom. Currently is a boiler room. So I've taken off the tin sheeting roof. Just going to dismantle the woodwork now. Wondering what to do about the tiles up the top there that are resting on that top purlin. That could be interesting. So here's the tin sheet that we've removed, a stack of them. Joe may wander around and pick those up. So in the meantime, let's stick you on a tripod. the vestibule, or rather, here it isn't. So we've removed the tin roof and the wood frame, and now what's left is a cavity which is going to be replaced with a dwarf. Well, there is already a small stone wall where this soil butts up against. The soil is going to be dug back, and then we will build up from the dwarf wall in a faux colombage across the front of what's going to be the bathroom. That roof will be slated, the vestibule roof will be slated. It'll go to just the other side of that second door here and come across to form a room there, quite a large room, and that'll be where utilities are, sort of washing machine, dryer, second toilet, air unit, not air conditioning, just air movement. So it'll dry out the air, clean it up a bit. So all of the scrap wood, all of the stuff that was growing along the back of the house, Joe and I dragged it. Let me see if we can zoom in. You can just see between the pig pen and the bread oven over there, quite a stack. So that's where Joe's straw pile was, and that now is augmented with quite a lot of saplings, lots of crack willow and stuff that grows really quickly. So that we may need to get a chipper to cut that all up, or we may just leave it to hopefully rot down. Who knows? We'll see. But that's what we did. So that's the side of the colombage which used to have that lean-to on it. You can see the pile of corrugated iron over there, and under that tarpaulin is the wood from the framework that formed the lean-to. We also chopped down all those saplings, so it's a lot clearer at the back of the house. And now that the vestibule area has gone, you can see right the way to the side of the old boiler room. So that's going to have some changes. You can see running across the center of it a stripe, which is where the low ceiling is. So that's going to be taken out, and we'll have that as a bathroom which will be full height up to the ceiling. And you can see that with all those saplings, crack willow out of the way, it's quite a lot clearer. That shed there, that's going to go, and probably also the concrete slab that it's sitting on, so that all of that area there will be garden up close to the house. The guy who's doing the digger work is going to dig a trench along the back here and widen the trench which is here, so that there's a much greater gap between the banked up soil and the back of the house. We'll also have a French drain down the bottom there underneath some gravel. So that's what's happening at the back.